Okay, this is the final video assignment for layer 2. And students, we're going to start off with a 3-part drill today. So we're going to start off with the visual part. I'm going to show you a card, and you are going to give me the sound of the letter that you see on the card, or the letters. You may begin. Sk, ing, unk, k, r, ank, ung, unk, ung, dw, ch, ang, br, I, a, k, a, b, sw, or sw, f, sh, d, z, tr, l, s. Okay, great job. I'm going to put my cards on my blending board. And we're going to go on in with our auditory part of the lesson. And for that, we're going to need our magic sand. I'm going to give you a letter sound, and you are going to write that letter into the sand, telling me the name of the letter, and then underlining it while saying the sound of the letter. So here we go. B. Fingers up. B. 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 Finger up. D. 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 Finger up. G. 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 Finger up. H. Finger up. W. 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 Finger up. Sk. S. K. K. Sk. Can you think of another way to make the sk? S. C. Sk. Good job. Gur. Fingers up. Gur. G. R. Gur. Okay, for the next sound, there are 2 ways to show that sound with letters. The sound is S. Fingers up. S. 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 Great job. Okay, I'm going to set that aside and go on to our blending portion. I'm going to bring back our cards. And I want you to point to each card, giving me the sound, and then you're going to blend them all together. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Sk, ing, sking. K, onk, conk. Ank, rank. du, ong, duong, ch, ong, chung, ch, unk, chunk, brung, brung, ang, bang, ick, bick, swiff, swiff, shuz, dull, trowel, mass. Awesome. Good job. I'm going to go ahead and move our blending board aside. Okay, and now we're going to learn a new sound today. And the sound is the long I sound that is spelled sometimes with the Y, as in fly. Fly is spelled F-L-I. And when a Y is at the end of a 3-letter word, it's always pronounced as I, such as shown in fly. Later, after our assignment, we're going to go ahead and make a chart that has 4 sections in it. Sometimes Y is a consonant. Sometimes Y is the long I sound at the end of a 1-syllable word, such as the one we're talking about today. Sometimes it is a vowel that sounds like E. And sometimes it's a vowel that, if it's between 2 consonants, sounds like I. So, for the letter I, we're going to do a multisensory activity with just some Unifix cubes. So I'm looking at the letter Y. And we are going to form our cubes into the shape of the letter Y. So go ahead and show me what you can do. Student is forming the Y with the cubes. Let's see. I'm gonna think about how long I want those lines to be. Let's see. So, as you can see, student has formed a Y on the page using the cubes that we use sometimes actually in math class. Okay, you did a great job with that. Okay, now we're going to go on and we're going to do some dictation words. And I'm going to get my list of dictation words. Here, and you are going to need your pound and tapping card. I'm going to say a word for you. You're going to pound it out and then write it down in your paper. Okay, pencils up. Cry. Ready, pound. Cry. I. Cry. Good job. Next one, buy. Buy. B-I. Buy. Okay. Buy. Sty. Sty. S-t-I. Sty. Very good. Sly. Sly. S-l-I. My. Pencils up. My. Ready? Pound. My. I. My. Pencils up. Shy. Ready? Pound. Shy. I. Shy. Pencils up. Dry. Dry. D-r-I. Dry. Very good. Now I'm going to show you my clean copy, and I want you to go ahead and read those words for me. Cry, buy, sty, sly, my, shy, dry. Awesome. Good job. Now we're going to do the same thing, but I have a couple sentences instead. So I have two sentences that I would like you to pound out and then write them down. We're going to do each one. I'm going to say them each 2 times. Here we go. Why is he so shy? Why is he so shy? Why is he so shy? Very good. The pigsty was dry. The pigsty was dry. The pigsty was dry. Very good. I notice you used capitals and the correct punctuation at the end. One was a question and one was just an answer with a period. Nice job. And go ahead and take a look at the clean copy. And I'd like you to read those out loud to me, please. Why is he so shy? The pigsty was dry. Great job. Okay. Now we're going to do a few words so we can practice our syllabication. And you are going to go ahead and label those words for our syllabication. And I am looking for our dry erase marker. Okay. We're going to pretend this is our dry erase marker. It's actually a pencil. That's okay. All right, first word is backpack. You're going to go ahead and label these words for syllabication. Back, pack. Okay. Back, pack. Okay, I'm finding my vowels. The A is the first vowel. Next vowel over is also an A. And I have a CK diagraph, so I'm going to loop it or indicate that they are together. There's another one on the end, a CK diagraph, so those are looped together. Can't think of the correct term right now. So then that gives us a C. The CK is consonant because it's one sound. The P is consonant. So we have our V, C, C, V pattern. Back is a closed syllable, so I'm making a CL up on top. Pack is also a closed syllable, so I'm putting the CL up on top. And since we have our V, C, C, V pattern, we are going to divide the words between the two consonants. Backpack. Next word is Mustang. 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 M-U-S-T-A-N-G. We're going to locate our two vowels. We've got our U is our first vowel, and our A is our second vowel. And we have two consonants in between. So we've got our V, C, C, V blend. We're going to make that bridge, which I forgot to mention in backpack. I should have made that bridge to put the vowels, the V, C, C, V pattern together. The first part, well, I know to divide Mustang between the two consonants, Mustang. NG is a digraph, so I put D up there. And must is a closed syllable, so CL. Tang is a closed syllable. Mustang. And the last one, Inkwell. I-N-K-W-E-L-L. We're locating our first two vowels. Vowel I is a vowel. The next one is an E. N and K are digraphs, so we're going to link those together. And that counts as one consonant. W is the other consonant. I know to divide a word between the two consonants. So Inkwell is divided between the K and the W. And they are both closed syllables. CL and CL. Inkwell. And that is the end. Thank you.